U.S. inflation proves sticky as global outlook dims. IMF warns of subdued growth. Headline: U.S. inflation proves sticky as global outlook dims. IMF warns of subdued growth. After months of mixed data, signs are mounting that the U.S. is settling into a higher-than-hoped inflation regime, even as the world economy cools. Reuters notes pricing pressures have become more entrenched stateside, complicating hopes for early rate cuts. Meanwhile, the IMF's October World Economic Outlook nudges global growth projections slightly upward versus April, but still characterizes prospects as subdued, with risks skewed to the downside and inflation easing unevenly across regions. For the U.S., that means above-target inflation lingering into 2026, while tighter financial conditions and trade frictions weigh on activity. Analysts warn that tariffs and a softer dollar could inject further price volatility even if headline CPI moderates in coming months. Policymakers face a narrow path: rebuild fiscal buffers, preserve central bank independence, and avoid overusing industrial policy that crowds out private investment. Consumers remain resilient, but momentum looks fragile. The first-half boost from front-loaded spending and inventory shifts is fading just as labor markets show pockets of strain. Markets now price a later, gentler cutting cycle, with the Fed prioritizing inflation progress over growth concerns. In short, growth isn't falling off a cliff, but it isn't roaring back either.